Hey guys, this is Val from RA Ranger, and today I'm going to show you how to install the stop-start eliminator for the Ford Transits for the 24s and up. The first thing you want to do is remove the rubber trim just on the side of the door, just a little bit so you can pull this little piece out. When you do get that rubber bit out, what you want to do is just pull this little plastic bit out, slides out, hinges there, might take a couple, but pull that off, show access. Next thing you want to do is pull this flap down just a little bit. You'll see this 10mm bolt here, you'll want to undo that. Get that out of the way. The next thing you want to do is pull this outwards because we want to get access to this plug right here. Next thing you want to do is pull that flap down, pull this metal bracket, try and back towards you and get in, like use your thumb. In the center of the connector, there's a tab, push it down and pull it down to bring it out just like that. What you now want to do is bring your module. You want to connect it in line with the connector you've just taken out, like that, and plug the other side back into the module. And then you want to try and plug the other bit straight into the module. It might take a couple of goes, but you will get it. Just like that. What you're going to do is get the 10mm that you just screwed out, screw that 10mm back in, nice and secure. Perfect. And then tuck these cables in securely so they're not showing. Get the plastic bit you've taken out, slip it underneath this bit, make sure it's secure, and put the rubber grommet back in. Rubber seal, sorry. And you're good to go. After you've installed the module, start the car, and you'll see that stop start has been deactivated, and it will happen on every startup.